entertainment capital of LA. Welcome to Hollywood. Dun 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 dun. Here on a Sunday morning. It's pretty rainy today, it's Super Bowl Sunday. Not too crowded as of right now. Doesn't look too bad. And they're all set up for the Lunar New Year. Mr. Pete Noodles is over there. Pretty. That's the stage show they have. Looks like they redid the concession stands and fit in better with the theming here. Welcome to Springfield. You can tell it's pretty slow today, but not a lot of people walking around here.
What happened to his car?
I know. He crashed his car, huh? I don't know, because he wanted a donut. There's Krusty Burgers. The 7 guys. Alright, we're going to go on to the Simpsons ride. Come along with us. Alright, we're waiting in line to go on the Krusty ride.
Attention Krustyland guests. Please be aware that all flash photography and videotaping is strictly prohibited from this point on. This is a motion simulator
From this point on.
involving sudden and extreme movement. Expectant mothers and individuals.
There's Krusty the Clown. Go Krusty, go Krusty.
You can hear my voice. You are in Springfield. Home of the Krustyland The Simpsons ride. Our wait time is currently a 45-minute wait. If you're looking for something less busy, the Mummy and Transformers both have no wait. Mummy and Transformers ride have no wait. I do recommend going that way now. It doesn't last long here at Universal. If anybody has any questions, I am standing by the big Krusty Head, the big clown head in the middle of the plaza.
That's why you head to the lower lot when you first get in. And everybody usually heads for the studio tour and stays up here. Lower lot is your best bet as soon as you come in the park. And then you work your way backwards. Although you might want to hit Simpsons first because Simpsons pretty much has a long line all day. Now we're going to look at some merch. Now there's a temporary solution. Oh yeah, it is itchy with this knife. And they have Scratchy. What do you want? Oh yeah. No, we're not getting the giant zipper. We already have zippers. I know. Do you want an action figure? That's what you don't want, the big figures? And for the holiday, for the Lunar New Year, they have the Homer Buddha. That's partial. Studio tour. The inner capital of LA. today a banner showing you what you can experience on the Universal Tour. There's the Fast and Furious, War of the Worlds set, Psycho House, Earthquake, Jurassic Park, King Kong, and Jaws. And the studio tour hosted by Jimmy Fallon from The Tonight Show.
Board, you folks doing a great job boarding the tram. Sliding over to the right, filling in every available seat. Thank you for doing that. And once again, good afternoon, folks. Welcome to the world-renowned Universal Studios Tour. My name is Mike. I'll be your... So long, folks. We'll see you later. We're out of here. Bye-bye. See ya. So long. All right. Over here on the left, in Soundstage 12. Stage 12 is home to The Voice. Season 16 premieres Monday night, February 25th, with the great coaches, Adam Levine, Blake Shelton, signed, Bill, checked out, and then the set becomes a hot set. I'm going to talk a little quieter as we go. Pre-production, you get everything ready. Production, you do the filming. Post-production, put your with stage 21 over on your left. As Hill Valley from the Back to the Future films, starring Michael J. Fox and Christopher Lloyd. Courthouse Square, originally built 1948 for the movie Act of Murder, starring two-time Academy Award winner Frederick March. You still see the famous Courthouse Clock Tower facade on the left, the clock way up top there, and on your screens, more of our past time. Here now the director of King Kong, Mr. Peter Jackson.
It's the original King Kong that made me want to review it. I saw that movie on TV when I was about 8 or 9 years old. And I wanted to become a
So have your... Surprise! Notice how dense it is with the trees and bushes. Look over here on the left. Never know what might pop out of a bush. But don't worry, because flood. Look out! Our flood. We have a soundstage coming up right in front of us, Soundstage 50. Built in here is a hot set. We're going to bring you in for a look. Because we're headed out east to Amity Island. The fire's spreading, and it looks like we're going to need a big crown. Thriller, Psycho. Norman lives in the house above the motel with his mother. Hey, I see Norman on the porch. Let's go. Oh, that was a close one. Not going to be flying anymore, so the airplane was broken into pieces to make you think it had crashed. It's all pretend, just for the movie.
Robbie, get in.
We've had a witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard our tram. We don't know who they are, but we got a call from Agent Hobbs. He put the witness aboard our tram because the witness is being chased by the international criminal, Owen Shaw. Guess what? Owen Shaw's on the property. We have to get to the safe location, this garage up ahead. which is also a known street racer party hangout. Please remain seated at all times.
Somebody out there really pissed off shop. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family.
We're on our way to Harry Potter Land. This is the back entrance. It's a little bit quieter than the main front entrance. And there's the castle. Welcome to Hogsmeade. You did do it.
Welcome to the MK.
Hogsmeade Station timetable affairs. Remember, on rainy days, they give complimentary hot chocolate. Looks like they painted the Vespas. They're now bright colors. They redid them, updating. We're gonna take a look down at the lower lot now to see what's going on down there with the construction. It looks like Jurassic World is coming along nicely on its update and reskin to Jurassic World. Also, it looks like there's been more construction going on the rumored Super Mario Land. Universal has not confirmed yet. Oh, the rats!
Lights, camera, and action.
Trying to fly from person to person to demonstrate that I need an adult volunteer. Has to be an adult. Ideally someone around one of these two middle sections. The lady right there, you have a long white shirt on. You can stay right there where you are, it's fine. Just stand up for me and take out a $1 bill. Now the reason I asked her for $1 is because Sparky doesn't know her. He might not want to fly to someone he's never met. As you'll to the side. Stay still, Sparky's gonna see that and know exactly where to fly. Excellent! Enjoy the show! From 310 to Yuma. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Arrow. Wow, excellent flight from Arrow. Nice catch, Danica. Okay, quick, Danica, stay right there. You're in a good spot. Okay, the lady right here with the $1. You want to take it out? We'll do it with this one. She's going for it. That is a brave lady. Sit down. It's a joke. Thanks, Danica and Arrow. Say hello to Iris and Olympus.
I'd like to out and go where he goes at
That's fun.
Are both Eurasian eagle owls. You'd recognize them from the Harry Potter movies. Baby Strainer is going to place her into that strong current of wind. Once in flight, take a little straight to the center of the tape and you'll see her flight in the movie. The director wants the dogs one by one to start by jumping over, argue, and hurdle. Then, weave in and out of each pole, shoot through that tunnel, jump back over our actor, and finish off our video. Camera, action! Yeah, that'll tell us what's going on. Head
visiting Universal today, if you look across the way, you can see the construction is coming along nicely on what is rumored to be the Secret Life of Pets ride. It's going to be a dark ride. Universal has not confirmed yet. As you can see, the framework is coming along nicely on the new building. Don't forget to hit that like button and also go ahead and subscribe and press the notification bell for upcoming videos. And as always, have a tickerific night. Bye-bye.